Hey everyone, if your NVIDIA games are suddenly dropping FPS or just feeling choppy, here's a quick way to smooth things out. So first, simply open the NVIDIA Control Panel and switch power management mode to prefer maximum power performance. This alone fixes a ton of random dips. So once you do this, you can then hop into the NVIDIA app and reset or apply the optimal settings for your game so it's not using the wrong profile after an update. And another fix is simply clearing your shader cache. So simply press Windows plus R at the same time, then type in %local app data %. After you do this, you can then go to NVIDIA, then delete the DX cache and GL cache folders. Don't worry, these are gonna recreate themselves automatically. But once you remove them, it should usually stop the stuttering and frame drops. So guys, also make sure to keep an eye on your GPU temperatures. So if it's overheating, simply clean out the dust or improve airflow, because thermal throttling will tank your FPS fast. And finally, simply update your GPU driver or reinstall it with a clean install. And once you do all that, your performance should bounce right back. And that's really it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.